In the Straya case, also known as the Foxy Lady case, the judges are instructing the court reporters to note down what the judge wants them to note down. Court reporters in the Straya case are not independent in doing their job.
Hi, my name is Eduardo Matthew. I'm here with attorney Zara.
I used to be a court clerk, a court reporter for almost 14 years.
I want to ask Zara a few questions. But were you ever put under pressure to make changes to something that you heard?
No, the rule is that what I heard, that has to be placed on paper.
Yeah, but that's not the question. What I'm asking you is, did anyone or did a judge ever pressure you to say something different and to put something different on paper?
You see, Alex, the system is more or less like a system of confidence between the judge and a court reporter.
Yeah, but that's not what I'm asking here. Did you ever, the judge ever put pressure on you to put something on paper that you did not hear?
It happened that the judge placed pressure on me by saying that I didn't hear well and that he heard what it was, and I had to place it on paper like he wanted it to be placed. When you are saying that there is a much bigger pressure from a judge on a court reporter than vice versa. There is no court reporter who can ever place pressure on a judge.
You did witness in your time of as a reporter, as a court reporter, you did witness injustice done.
I've witnessed that, yes. I've witnessed that. Yes, for sure.
And you could not do anything about it because...
What can you do? You're not a judge.
In my case, the court reporter is reporting nothing. Zero. Do you agree with me?
That's what I've been seeing, especially in your case. Court reporters sitting next to the judge and not writing anything, not even a word on paper. And that is why several times I've been stating in court, hey, what's happening here? Hey, please, know this, know that. Yeah, this has been said. It's very important for the defense, for you to know that. And still, it didn't happen. It seems like they want to go their own way by not stating anything on paper and still make a report afterwards. I can't explain that.
And can you also explain how long are we in court for the amount of time that the session will take? Do you have approximately how long sometimes we're in court?
Oh, sure. We have been in court, some days we have been for 10 hours in court, yes, and having a very tough session with a lot of speaking and defending and so on. And I'm sure that all those hearings we had, all those sessions we had, and none of them has been written down like it had to be. There are a lot of sessions in our system where the doors are closed. No public can come inside. It's only the judge and the court reporter. While on the other side, you have the defense and the suspect, the client. Yes, so a lot of times not even the prosecutor is there. And it's true that most of the time it happens that some things are placed on papers, especially when it's a hearing about the declaration of somebody. Then the judge would be like saying it, and the court reporter is taking it on paper. But that's the only thing they are doing. Then, if there is a remark on the side, if there is something very important said on the other side, those things the court reporter never takes them on paper. And there is no public inside there that can be checking out these things to be saying, hey, this was a fair hearing or something like that. We don't know that. We don't have that in our system.
Would you willing to do a lie detector test?
Oh, for sure. It ain't no problem for me. I'm not lying. I'm just saying the truth. Of the facts, what's taking place here in Aruba. They are misusing this. They are abusing the system by doing this because a lot of things are said and they're not placed on papers. And still they have been said. And it's very important for the case, yes, that it has to be reported, but because of the fact it was not reported in sessions afterwards, you don't have no proof, you don't have anything.
No proof, so it's being held within the system. So basically, we cannot go to the European courts because there is nowhere on paper to appeal it to a different judge.
I even had once an argument from a judge commissioner who said, but we have to protect our own system. I don't think this is the way to protect it. The judge commissioner, The court reporters are only noting down what the judge instructs them to note. I asked Judge Drop for the original notes of the court reporter. I was refused the original notes from the court reporter by Judge Drop, who is the judge who is presiding this case.